Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for day trading. First, ensure your account meets the pattern day trader rule, which requires a minimum of $25,000 in equity to avoid trading restrictions. Webull provides commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, making it cost-effective. You'll also want to familiarize yourself with the platform's advanced charting tools, which are essential for technical analysis and identifying potential trade setups. This foundational understanding is key. To begin, open a Webull brokerage account and complete the necessary verification steps. Once your account is active, fund it with at least $25,000. This is crucial to comply with the pattern day trader rule and ensure you have sufficient capital. Next, customize your trading layout. Optimize it for quick order entry and clear visibility of market data, as speed is often vital in day trading. Setting this up correctly saves valuable time. When you're ready to trade, identify volatile stocks that exhibit high trading volume, as these often present the best day trading opportunities. Use either market orders for immediate execution or limit orders for precise entry and exit points, depending on your strategy. Always implement stop-loss orders to manage your risk effectively. This helps protect your capital by automatically closing a position if the price moves against you beyond a certain threshold. Effective risk management is paramount in day trading. Aim to limit your daily risk to a small percentage of your total capital, perhaps 1% or 2%, to preserve your funds over time. Regularly review your trading performance, analyzing both winning and losing trades to refine your strategies and identify areas for improvement. This continuous learning process is vital for long-term success. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.